You ready, Saffy? Oh, she's ready. Oh, she was born ready. Yes. 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 Lure. Yes. Get on that spot. Put that puppies down. Yes. Good girl. Good spot. Yes. 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 You want to rock away? Yes. Real quick. Come right back. Yes. Yes. You can even throw the visual of stay in there. Yes. Ideally, we want 2 paws on there. 2 front paws. Yes. And her in a standing position. Yes. Yes. And you want her to remain in that standing position, which is why we're going to, yes, rock back and then reward for her remaining on it. Yes. Yes. We do not want them to follow the hand, obviously. We want them to remain on the target. So we're going to lure to get them onto the target. Yes. AKA have them follow your hand. Yes. But then take that hand away. Yes. And mark as she remains on it. Yes. 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 Make your rocks. Yes. Your rock backs. Yeah. Yes. Make them real short. Yes. In the beginning. And then start. Yes. Making them a little bit longer. Yes. So she understands that. Yes. Whether you're bending over or standing up. Yes. Yes. Or right in front of her face. Or, yes, back away from her, that she needs to remain on that spot. Yes. Good girl. Oh, she's so good at it. Yes. Nice, ma'am. Very nice. Yes. Very nice. So the ultimate goal is to have those back legs spin. Right? So we're teaching a rear end awareness, which means teaching her that she has a butt. Yes. And then how to move that butt left and right. Yes. Yes. We go left. Yes. Yes. So her butt moves left when you move your feet to the right. Yes. Make sure she's on the target first. And then scoot your feet. Yes. And mark as soon as those rear legs, yes, move. Usually, yes, the dogs want to look at you. So as you rotate around the spot, they follow you. Yes. Good job. Yes. Yes. Go back to just rocking. Stay rocking away. Yes. And then start moving those leggies. Yes. Yes. Good job, Saffy. So good. Yes. 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 Nice. Yes. 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 So rewarding for just those 2 front feet. Yes. Remaining on the spot, on the target. Yes. And then we're marking for the rear end movement. Yes. 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 So for my service dogs who are going to be in a heel position, yes, I emphasize nice. I overemphasize making sure that they move their legs to the left if they're going to be in a left side heel. Because eventually we're going to spin them around and they're going to be on our left side. So we want to go both ways. Yes. Yes, nice. Right? But then I emphasize me stepping to the right. Yes. Because that's the one that's super important to me, is making sure she moves those legs. Yes. To this way, towards my left side, aka she moves her legs to the left. She's too squirmy, so we're going to go back for marking just on the spot. Yes. 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 Oh, she's excited. She's excited today. Yes. Good spot. Yes. 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 Excellent. Yes. 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 That's my girl. Yes. Yes. Excellent. Good job. Oh, she's so good.